Okay, there we go. All right. So many technical issues every time I try to do a video. It's making me crazy. All right, so this is the cat on the shelf, cat on the bookshelf. This is the part where I'm going to deal with this. Okay, so I'm checking it out. I got it flattened out. And this is the other one. Okay, this is the one they sent me originally, but the wrong drills. So originally the order was, uh, it came out as a round order. I don't know why. But anyways, they sent me square drills with the round canvas. And I'll show you the end. See, I tried to do it. And you can see that the canvas is indeed made for round drills. And they sent me squares. And so, there, I think that's in focus. You can see that that doesn't work. The squares are a little smaller than the round, apparently, and way too much space in between all these beads. So, yeah. So, I asked them to go ahead and send me the square canvas, which is what I've got right here. Let's set the round one down up there. Okay. So, the same corner. Okay. And here is for the squares. See, much better. Much better. Okay, see? Squares. All right, now, yeah, I asked them to go ahead and send me the square canvas, um, since I had already set up all of the square drills in the little case with all the little numbers and their corresponding symbols and everything. And I just set this up in Photoshop and um, made that and put it on just some regular paper instead of sticker paper. But I made a set of labels on sticker paper to go onto, and I already had it all set up and everything, so they're all cut apart and ready to go again. See, here's the little thing in the case. So now I need to check the colors. They went ahead and sent me a whole new bead kit, so I'm going to go ahead and inventory it and check it, and these will probably end up in the main, my main boxes of drills as extras, so I can do something else with it. But I wanted to make sure that all the colors look the same and everything. So I'm pretty sure it will, but I have to do it. I mean, I just have to. It's got 40 colors, so you know it's going to take me a while to get it all. And of course, there's a ton of 310. So yeah, there's a lot of 310. So I'm using my little antique now from the 1990s lifesaver container that I can open one-handed, pour the beads out, or put them back in, and I love these things. Yeah, I hoard those. Yeah, saved every one of them I've ever had. So yeah, so I'm going to check that out and see, and go ahead and start this one. And I want to start the quilted cat as well because he's all ready to go. Matter of fact, I have that one already set up on the trays and everything. I had these on the trays too, but I had to take them down to make room for something else while I was waiting on this to come. And this took a long time to get here. I mean, that really took a long time. My original purchase was in July, and this got here, the round one got here August 10th, and then I ordered the replacement. Let me see, I emailed them October 20th because I didn't want to start doing it until then. So, you know, right before that. So, but anyway, here we are over a month later, and I can go ahead and start now But yeah, so I was just deciding. So I have to go through this, match them up to make sure, and then go ahead and put these into the regular inventory, the case I have in regular inventory. So I'm happy with this now, so I'm going to go ahead and start it, and hopefully everything will be hunky-dory and work the right way and fit like they're supposed to and all of that. So, okay, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.